And welcome to another video. And yeah, this time I'm using another screen recorder. I hope this works a little better. So yeah. So today we're gonna do another one with command blocks, I guess. So the last time we couldn't hear each other, so I might delete that. So yeah. So first command block is an impulse command block. So it's just, regular command block. It's an impulse, nothing really special about that. Second one is the chain command block. It's just like a impulse command block, except it's a little different. You'll see. And the next one is the repeat command block. I think you know what that does, everybody. So yeah, repeat command block. Oh, and also if you want this, tap this. It will change it to chain repeat. If you guys didn't know that, if you're in iOS. So yeah, let's do this. So, oops. So yeah, just wait. Sorry, I guess you guys now know what that does. So, the first one is the slash game mode. So this one pretty much is telling you in survival, as you can see. So this is how you do it. This is the command you're supposed to put in the command block. Got that? Okay, good. So I press this. I'm in survival mode. I can get hurt. Yeah. Oh, and other thing, I cannot open these because I'm in survival. So that's pretty cool. So the next one is creative. Got that? It just change the S into a C. That's all. Okay. So press that. Now I can go in here. See? Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. Okay, this one I really like, especially if you have a repeat command block. So this one, as you can tell, is a nighttime command block. You can turn it to night. If you want it daytime. Okay, next one is the give command block. So yeah. So let me just get rid of this. So you got that. So the block you want, give, add player the block you want. Yeah. But you just see, I'll get another command block. So if you use this other command and you forgot that there's a command block there, then that could be useful. So our next one is the kill command block. I mean the kill command. I keep on saying command block, sorry. So if I go into here and kill, yeah, that's what it will do. So let me just grab that, going back into creative. Okay, so this one is a teleport command. So if I just press this, so that would be really useful for like my adventure maps or like maps. And if you guys want to see a map from me, leave a comment section down below. So yeah, leave it there. Our next one is the clear command. So yeah, I didn't really, but I think you guys might know how to do that. So yeah, got that? So this is really useful. So let's say I got a load of junk. Like so. And I don't want to, just go like, no. So yeah, so I'll just go do that. Boom. And so I really like that. So here is the weather clear command. I'll give you an example for that too. So yeah. the weather, rain. I guess you can guess what that does. So let's do this. It's raining. Now let's turn it off. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, so there's a good example of that. So the next one is the difficulty. So just do that. Difficulty is now set to peaceful. Now set to easy, normal, and hard. This is how you do them. Difficulty P, peaceful. Difficulty E, easy, and normal, and H, hard. I'm going to leave it on peaceful for now. So our next one is pretty complicated. You need 2 redstones for this. Hook it up to redstone, or I'll show you guys later with something else. So this is, see how cool that is? So yeah. So the command block you need to do slash title at player title. And what you want to write, then slash title at player subtitle, and then what you want to write next. So yeah. If I really wanted to, I could change this into subscribe. Let's see if this works. So if I switch it around, okay, let me just switch this. Subscribe. Okay, there. That should work. So my next, subscribe. So this one is a little broken. So what it should be doing, like an Enderman death sound. It should be making where is it? Okay, on easy. It was supposed to make that noise. So yeah, that was supposed to do. So now we're introducing to the chain command. So as I said, we could do this except with a chain command block. So how this works? See, I just say SS1. That's all. But it's just 1 and 2 because this arrow is pointing to this chain command block, and the chain command block it says say 2. So that's how it does do it. So that means it's pretty cool if you're doing a command block map or something. So yeah. So this one is a repeat. Let's see. So yeah. So that's pretty annoying. I called the annoying command block. I'm the annoying machine. So yeah. Next one is the repeat command block. See? And the cool thing about buttons, see, it only kills you like amount of times, but lever kills you all the time, forever. And if you want to kill yourself all the time in survival, with the repeat command block, it's hard to get it back in creative. So yeah, I recommend not doing it because I tried myself pretty hard, you know. But yeah, next one is give. So it pretty much gives you loads of diamonds. If you look in my inventory, so yeah, that's all. I broke the game. I turn it off. Is it just me or am I hearing like a sound? Like a song. Oh no. So I had to break it, wasn't flicking the lever, so yeah. But do you hear that? It was making like a noise or something. Let me just do this. So yeah. So it's pretty cool. There's a lot more commands. I just did a little. I thought you wouldn't see this video like up yet, probably like another week, but yeah. So yeah, I've been working on this pretty hard. There's more repeat commands actually, but pretty much is just copying all of these with the impulse commands, and the same as 16. So yeah, I don't want to do that. You guys don't want to see all the same commands, but yeah. So that's pretty cool. I liked this video, and yeah. Oh, and the person who gave me the idea to do this, what suggested it is Survival Center. So yeah, he's a good friend of mine. I'm gonna give him another shout out, because why not? So yeah, I hope you guys like this, and I hope you guys like this new screen recorder. You don't see if I'm recording how long I have been. Yeah, that's pretty good. And yeah. So I guess that is all. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I know how to turn this off. I'll put this off.